Start by placing the foot anchor base on a flat surface with the sticker facing up and the screw connection visible at the end of the base. Use one hand to hold the anchor handle in place and the opposite hand to screw the bottom end into the base. To install your foot anchor, simply determine placement based on where your ankles are located when lying in bed. Lift the edge of your bed and place the foot anchor base between the mattress and the box spring or mattress platform. Make sure the handle is pointing out. Your foot anchor is now secure and ready for use. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.